What if I told you there's a ticking time bomb in the crypto world, and you've got less than 24 hours to defuse it? Buckle up, because this Tomarket update could make or break your airdrop dreams. Yo, what's poppin', crypto fam? We're coming in hot with some urgent Tomarket news that you can't afford to miss. We're talking Snapshot Day, surprise rewards, and the kind of opportunities that could have you living large or crying in the corner. So let's dive in and make sure you're on the winning team. First things first, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the snapshot. Tomorrow, September 2nd, Tomarket is taking a digital Polaroid of your account. Why should you care? Because this snapshot is going to determine your airdrop allocation. That's right. All those points you've been grinding for, they're about to be set in stone. But hold up. We're not just here to remind you about the snapshot. Nah, Tomarket's throwing us a curveball. And if you play it right, you could be in for a treat. They've dropped 2 last-minute tasks that could supercharge your airdrop potential. And trust me, you don't want to be the one left behind when everyone else is popping champagne. So, what's the deal with these tasks? Let's break it down. Task numero uno. It's emoji time, baby. Tomarket wants you to add a tomato emoji to your Telegram name. Sounds simple, right? But here's the kicker. You gotta do it right, or you'll be left high and dry. Head to the task section in your Tomarket app, hit that start button, and copy the tomato emoji. Then, slide into your Telegram profile and paste that bad boy next to your name. But wait, don't rush back to claim your points. Tomarket's playing hard to get. You gotta wait at least 30 minutes before you can complete the task. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to free crypto. Now on to task number 2, and this is where things get juicy. Tomarket's asking you to connect your Bitgate wallet. But why? I hear you ask. Well, they're teasing us with a special something after September 2nd. The catch? Your wallet needs to have at least $1 worth of assets in it. That's right, just one measly dollar could be your ticket to Bonus Town. But here's where it gets interesting. They haven't specified what kind of assets you need. USDT, BNB ton, it's dealer's choice, folks. Just make sure it's worth more than $1. It's like a crypto lottery ticket, and you don't want to miss out on this potential jackpot. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Is this legit? Are they just trying to get us to load up our wallets? I feel you, but think about it. Tomarket's been playing it straight so far, and this could be their way of rewarding the true believers. Plus, it's just $1. You've probably spent more on a bad cup of coffee this week. Here's the bottom line. We're in the final countdown. The clock's ticking, and you've got less than 24 hours to set yourself up for potential crypto glory. Don't be that person who looks back in a month, kicking yourself because you missed out on easy money. So what's your game plan? Here's what you need to do right now. 1. Fire up that Tomarket app and add that tomato emoji to your Telegram name. Remember, wait at least 30 minutes before claiming those points. 2. Connect your Bitgate wallet if you haven't already. This is crucial, folks. 3. Make sure you've got at least $1 worth of assets in your wallet. Any asset will do, just make it count. 4. Double-check everything. This is not the time for silly mistakes. 5. Sit back, relax, and dream about all the ways you're going to spend your potential airdrop riches. Remember, in the world of crypto, fortune favors the bold and the prepared. This could be your chance to get in on the ground floor of something big. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers like sand in an hourglass. And hey, even if this surprise turns out to be smaller than we hope, you're still setting yourself up for the main event, the airdrop. Every point counts, every task matters. You've come this far, now it's time to bring it home. So what are you waiting for? The crypto world waits for no one. And neither does this Tomarket snapshot. Get out there, crush these tasks, and let's make some crypto history together. Stay frosty, stay profitable, and most importantly, stay ready. Because in this game, opportunity doesn't knock, it kicks down the door. Now before I go, here is a huge shout out to all of my Epic channel members. Mohamed Albada Moyakaura, Inoxen001, Imarinavitube, Okemdi Chemameza, Behind Wheels, James Peter Edit, Enger Chukwunonso Chioma, Osundeko Sisan, Yahya Haruna Idris, Adi Queen, Jacob Malo, Ikeneo Kwosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwal Johnson, Godin Walbe, Damian Diekman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Ekwueme Kingsley, Bipolaroid, Alexithymia, Dotun Ayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedicta Meka, Ifedigbo Chukwebuka Nduka, Obianuju Purity, Lorena Canarezio, Mohammed Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ihemadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Cleaveths and Wealth, Ruth Ekanem, Rada Musa, Izzy Blaze, Nicholas Malor, Sir Wills, Misbaudin Raji, Kuris M, Jasper Ibrahim, Joycey, Chiadozi Mizirionia, Isa Tahir, Soare Ionel, Petri Paikanen, Shalk, Bello Muhammad Jalo, Prince Orji C. Okori, Samsonite Amos. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. See you on the other side of the snapshot, hopefully with our wallets a little heavier and our futures a little brighter. Peace out, crypto warriors.